How to fix and solve Call Echo on Messenger app. This tutorial will show you how to fix it quickly. First, open the Play Store and make sure Messenger is updated or open to the latest version. If an update is available, install it before continuing. Next, open your phone's settings and go to Apps. After that, tap on App Management. Find and select Messenger from the list of installed apps. Once you're there, make sure all required permissions are enabled, especially the microphone permission. Now, tap on Storage Usage. Select Clear Cache, and if the issue still persists, tap Clear Data as well. And again, delete it. Keep in mind that clearing data will sign you out of the app. After that, go back to the app information page and tap Force Stop. Again, force stop it. Now, reopen Messenger and sign back into your account if needed. Then simply use the app normally and check whether the Call Echo issue has been resolved. In most cases, these steps help fix Messenger Call Echo problems and improve call audio quality. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tutorials.